Hey, what's going on, people? Welcome to another video. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the best software for trading in MetaTrader 5. Now, if you're a trader going into 2025, you'll need the best software for calculating risk. And we're just going to be looking at this particular risk manager, which I use on MTA5, and I believe is one of the best managers and one of the most affordable. So if you want to get it, it's the first link in the description or in the pinned comments. You're just going to land on this particular page and let's look at it. So first off,
welcome to the Victor's Trade Manager.
Okay.
In this video, I'll be showing you the functionalities of this MetaTrader 5 app, which will help you to get entries, manage
so you can see that you can easily get entries between a couple seconds to milliseconds depending on your setup. And it's very useful, especially if you want to be calculating risk without going to an external website to put the lot size and so on.
Trade as you see.
And this is very useful because you can easily take partials, break even, and so on, send trades. But let's just keep watching the video.
And also manage your risk on every trade. This tool works on Forex pairs, gold, indices, oil, stocks, and so on.
So yeah, regardless of what you're trading, Bitcoin and so on, I basically trade it on Bitcoin. It's gonna be very helpful for you, right?
Firstly, you need to add the app to your MetaTrader. To do that, there is a link to the app in the description of this video or MQL5 Market. You can press Ctrl N and it will open the navigation bar for you. Next, you need to locate the app. The name of the app is Victor's Trade Manager. On the Common tab, make sure that the Allow Algo Trading is checked before moving to the Inputs tab. Now the next thing to do is to adjust the inputs, because this app was designed to be as simple as possible so you can get started using it with little or no experience. There are few entry options. The first one is the risk. This will define the risk which you can take per trade. The next one is the
so the risk per trade, this could be 2%, 3% of your portfolio, right? Hopefully in the next versions we get a fixed lot size for people who just like to take a fixed lot size. And yeah, that makes sense. TP multiplier.
Take profit multiplier, which is not mandatory. But if you trade a fixed risk to reward per trade, you can go ahead and change it. For this
over basics. So I'm just going to go forward. Let's see what we get.
This is no trade from the advisor to take trades with a take profit or without it. To do this, represents the take profit line.
We have the red
on the screen. The red line represents the
trades. If you want to enter trades, the red line is the stop loss. The blue line is the take profits, and then the purple line is the blue line is the entry, and then the purple line is the take profits. Now, depending on the order type you're gonna be taking, if you're taking pending orders, say buy stops, sell stops, buy limits, sell limits, just depending on how you place these lines, it's automatically going to detect it and place the trades for you, so you do not have to know the type of trade. You do not have to specify the type of trade you want to enter. And it also has a market mode where you just enter immediately instead of having pending orders.
Stop loss. The blue line
that could be set using this pending button here. So we can change. If you click the pending button, it's gonna give you a live market
represents
button.
The entry, and the purple line represents the take profit line.
Take profit line.
You can which can also be changed.
The basic feature for this, first of all, the entries, and we're gonna get to see other features on
button
this app.
That is showing pending. Then the button turns red, alerting you that,
like I said, when you click that button, you can easily get market mode. As you want to enter instant market orders. So you just click on send, you get a buy.
You're currently in a direct market execution mode.
Right.
Now what is left is to adjust your stop loss line.
So
if the stop loss line is below the price, then a buy will be taken.
Right?
So right now we can click on the send button and a buy trade will instantly be opened with the fixed risk to reward
instantly, right? Basically what he's explaining, right? So that's the first feature you need to have. The risk reward is there, take profit is there, risk percent is there, account balance, which you can change manually, the percentage, which is for taking partials, and we also have a custom trailing stop or a break even stop. I don't know how to put it, but it's like a partial stop
is below
for people that like to take partials after they enter trades. If you know what partials are, You just close a percent of your trade. Say you have 10 lot size open and you want to close 50% of that. It's gonna close five lot size, keeping the profits for the 5 lot size, and you're gonna only have 5 lot size risk on the table. So basically, yeah, that's what we get for this software.
The price and change
It's
the
a very
risk percent and
straightforward
even the account
software,
balance,
right?
giving you practical examples on how these work.
Yeah, it's a very straightforward
Now on
software.
this chart, I opened a position earlier and made sure.
Yeah, you can see how it's gonna make your entries a lot faster, especially if you're trading a lower time frame. You're probably wondering if it's that expensive. It's not really that expensive. Click on the link in the bio. Check it out. If you like it, it's definitely gonna be worth every penny you spend on it, because as traders we need tools. It's gonna allow us get into trades a lot faster. And yeah.
Sure that it was already in profits. Now the app has already been added to this chart. To break even this trade, I can click on the break even button on the chart, and as you can see, the stop.
So you see beautifully break even. Instead of dragging those lines manually, sometimes it might be a little bit too slow if you're a scalper. So just clicking on that break even is just gonna immediately do that for you.
Loss has been moved to break even. The next thing I would love to do is to close part of the trade and secure some of the running profits.
Okay.
Now how will I do that?
Now if you're a person that takes partials, just like this particular trade in profit, you want to close part of the trade. The volume here is 1.21. Let's see how it demonstrates to close it.
You can see the section that says close percent. You just have to type the percentage of the trade that you want to close, and then next you click on OK, and for this example, I want to close 30%. So I will change the text there to be 30 and then click on OK.
Now you can see it's trying to close 30%. The volume is 1.21. Just watch the volume, and that's basically how you know if the partial has been closed. There's no way to do this on your PC. So it's very helpful to have this tool.
Please watch down there as the lots gets closed for the desired percent. Now these examples are all manual examples. The next example is for automatic partial and break even.
Okay.
Right here I have another.
Basically what an automatic partial is when you want to set and forget. Let's say if, like the way the price is right here is going up, you might want to have a line somewhere around here that if you don't want price to go below it, and if price goes below it, you basically close part of your trade. So you reduce your risk at the same time lock in some profits. So if you're not going to be on your PC and you feel price should go up, but if it comes below this zone, you should close out some partials. Then basically that's beautiful. Also, you could also use it for break evens, I believe.
Another trade in profits, and I want to take partial and break even the trade when it reaches a particular point. To do this, we need to click on the plus button that is close to the OK button. Once that has been done, you'll see a new line gets added to the charts. All you have to do is to place the line where you want the price to reach before the partial is to be taken, and then click on the on button. If you do not click on the on button, this partial line will not be active. For sells, you can place the line to be below the price, so this if the market reaches that point, the appropriate partial will be closed. For this case, as it got hit, 30% of the position has been closed and the stop loss has been moved to break even. Also when it gets hit, the line gets deleted. Finally, you can trail price with the partial line, which is a custom trailing because the default trailing makes you close 100% of your trade. But what I'm about to show you is a custom trail of any percent that you desire. For this by trade.
So guys, basically this is what the software is all about. It's a very straightforward software, very affordable, and it's a very useful tool for traders to add to their lists, so you could easily get insights on how to enter trades a lot faster. Now you can see from this place the lot size right here is looking really great. If you enter a lot that is higher than, or your risk is a little bit higher than your account is able to tolerate, you're gonna see the lot size here is gonna be showing red. Like if you go back to the video we were watching right now,
I will click on
you could see that the lot size here is green, and when it turns red, it means you're over risking your account. All these things are very important for you to know. You also see the spread on your broker, all the important insights, and it's not too big of a software that it gets to cover the rest of your screen and interrupt your trading. It's a very helpful tool to have in your list. And yeah, So hopefully you guys can check it out. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Stay blessed and stay profitable.